Hey everyone, welcome back to another English learning session. Today we'll learn some super useful daily phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. These will make your English sound natural and fluent. So stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Break down, meaning stop working for machines. Example, my car broke down on the way home. Bring up, meaning mention a topic. Example, she brought up an interesting point. Call off, meaning cancel something. Example, they called off the meeting due to rain. Carry on, meaning continue doing. Example, please carry on with your work. Catch up, meaning reach the same level. Example, I need to catch up on my studies. Check in, meaning register at a hotel or airport. Example, we checked in at the hotel at 3 p.m. Check out, meaning leave a hotel. Example, we checked out after 2 nights. Come across, meaning find unexpectedly. Example, I came across an old photo yesterday. Come back, meaning return. Example, she came back from London last week. Come in, meaning enter. Example, please come in and have a seat. Cut off, meaning stop supply. Example, the electricity was cut off yesterday. Drop by, meaning visit without notice. Example, I'll drop by later to say hello. Drop off, meaning deliver someone something. Example, he dropped me off at the station. Eat out, meaning dine at a restaurant. Example, we decided to eat out tonight. Fall apart, meaning break into pieces. Example, the old book fell apart in my hands. Fall down, meaning collapse. Example, he fell down while running. Fill in, meaning complete a form. Example, please fill in this application form. Find out, meaning discover. Example, I found out the truth yesterday. Get along, meaning have a good relationship. Example, they get along very well. Get away, meaning escape. Example, the thief got away from the police. Get in, meaning enter a car, room, etc. Example, she got in the taxi quickly. Get off, meaning leave a bus or train. Example, I get off at the next stop. Get on, meaning board a bus/train. Example, we got on the bus at 5 p.m. Get over, meaning recover from. Example, he got over the flu last week. Give back, meaning return something. Example, please give back my pen. Give up, meaning stop trying. Example, don't give up on your dreams. Go away, meaning leave. Example, he went away for the weekend. Go back, meaning return. Example, We went back to our hometown. Go on, meaning continue. Example, the show must go on. Go out, meaning leave home for fun. Example, they went out for dinner. Grow up, meaning become an adult. Example, he grew up in New York. Hang out, meaning spend time relaxing. Example, let's hang out at the mall. Hang up, meaning end a phone call. Example, she hung up the phone angrily. Hold on, meaning wait. Example, hold on, I'll be right back. Keep on, meaning continue doing. Example, she kept on working despite being tired. Look after, meaning take care of. Example, she looks after her younger brother. Look for, meaning try to find. Example, I'm looking for my keys. Look forward to, meaning expect with pleasure. Example, I look forward to meeting you. Look into, meaning investigate. Example, the police will look into the case. Look out, meaning be careful. Example, look out, a car is coming. Look up, meaning search for information. Example, you can look it up online. Make up, meaning invent a story or reconcile. Example, they made up after the argument. Pass away, meaning die. Example, his grandfather passed away peacefully. Pick up, meaning collect or learn. Example, I'll pick you up at 7 p.m. Put off, meaning postpone. Example, they put off the meeting until Friday. Put on, meaning wear clothes. Example, she put on her coat and left. Run away, meaning escape. Example, the child ran away from home. Run into, meaning meet unexpectedly. Example, I ran into an old friend at the mall. Set up, meaning arrange or establish. Example, they set up a new company. Take off, meaning remove clothes. Plane leaves. Example, the plane took off on time. Take out, meaning remove. Example, please take out the trash. Turn off, meaning stop power. Example, turn off the TV before sleeping. Turn on, meaning start power. Example, she turned on the lights. Work out, meaning exercise or solve. Example, he works out every morning. A great job! You have just learned more than 50 plus powerful daily use phrasal verbs with examples. Try using them in your conversations to sound more natural and confident in English. Don't forget to like, share, and practice every day. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.